Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. Given that A root A plus B root B is equal to 2023, A root B plus B root A equal to 58, then find the value of A plus B. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 700 Olympiad logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So first of all, given A root A plus B root B is equal to 2023. This can be written as root A whole square into root A plus root B whole square into root B is equal to 2023. This can be written as root A whole cube plus root B whole cube is equal to 2023. Let us take it as equation 1 now. Now if you take the second equation, A root B plus B root A is equal to 58. This also can be written as root A whole square into root B plus root B whole square into root A is equal to 58. Now in this you can take root A into root B common. If you take root A into root B common, you will get root A plus root B is equal to 58. Let it be equation 2. Now here adding 1 plus 3 times of second equation. Adding 1 plus 3 times of second equation. So here first one is root A whole cube plus root B whole cube plus 3 times of the second equation, 3 into root A root B into root of A plus B is equal to 2023 plus 3 into 58. Now what will get here? The formula A cube plus B cube plus 3AB of A plus B is equal to A plus B whole cube. So here we'll get root A plus root B whole cube is equal to 2197. This is nothing but 13 cube. Now root A plus root B is equal to 30 now. Now let it be 3. Now replace 3 in second equation. Replace 3 in second equation. Root A into root B into 13 is equal to 58. So root A into root B is equal to 58 by 13. Let it be 4. Now what is required here? Required A plus B value. This can be written as root A whole square plus root B whole square. This can be written as root A plus root B whole square minus 2 root A root B. So root A plus root B is equal to 13 square minus 2 into 58 by 30 now. So this can be written as 169 minus 116 by 13. If you take LCM, you will get 2197 minus 116 by 13. So here you'll get answer 2081 by 30 now. I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.